Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, June 30th. Time is around 5:15 GMT and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So as you can see, since Wednesday, not much happened actually. We are still hanging around here in this area. So my analysis also did not really change much, as if the market does not change, I cannot really change my analysis. So the good thing is, like, I gave you this area to initiate a long. So from here, you should be long. And so now, as you can see, there is some separation between this entry area. So this means our trade is risk-free for the moment. And now we just have to wait if it further plays out as it is in my primary scenario. I also told you that I think I gave this area on Wednesday or on Tuesday that we could expect here some resistance, and this is actually what is happening now. So now we have to see if we further move up as indicated in my primary scenario. So my primary scenario is that we had a wave four. From this wave four low, we did a move up as an impulse, a wave one. We did this in 5 waves. I also gave you this area, and I told you that from here we could expect a reaction to the downside. This played out very nice, and so now, as long as we hold this low here, I believe this is wave 2 to the downside to correct this wave 1 up as an ABC. And so from here, we should move up. If this setup is not invalidated, we should move up as a wave 3. So if this is the wave 2 low, we already know the target of or wave 3, which you can find by taking the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, and then the area where we should go is the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So this is where we should go, and this is all part of wave 5 of the higher degree. So maybe we can have a look at this, like we can zoom out to the 4 hour. So I believe we are working here on a final wave 5. Like in my weekend analysis, I told you that I'm expecting a pullback in the DAX in the higher time frame. So yeah, it's so I'm expecting here a bit more upside as a wave 5 in the lower time frame. This is still possible before pulling back, but I immediately have to say that it could also be that that our high is in here. Like if we start counting from here, from this wave 4 low, we could have a complete structure here, and the high could be in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end with divergence. We have 5 swings, divergence. So everything is here to start pulling back. Of course, yeah, you don't know that the pullback is really happening before you are taking out significant lows. Like a first low that we should take out is this one. This would be a good indication, but then of course we also have to take out this one. Then we are quite sure that the pullback is happening. So this means like we can still go long in my opinion for trading, but we have to be a bit more careful, I would say, as every high can be our last high. So it's important to protect our trades early, maybe to also take profits early. Like I told you to protect this trade. I also told you here you can maybe already take some profit, and yeah, just keep the profit or re-enter if we make kind of a little pullback from here against this or this low, because this could be our final high. But okay, it's not my primary scenario. I just want to share this with you, this kind of scenario. But I'm expecting still more upside from here. So if you're long, stay long, protect this trade, and we have to see now how it plays out. We have yeah, we have clarity, like we are risk free. We have clarity. If we break this low and this low here, we are in another kind of situation. So maybe let's have a look then at alternative scenarios. Yeah, the alternative scenarios are bearish, of course. So if it means that our high was in here, then there are here some possibilities. First of all, like this could be a wave one to the downside. So if our high was in here, it means that we now need an impulse to the downside. And so we could have something like this, that this is a wave one to the downside, that we here have 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we move up again as a wave 2, and then we should further go down as a wave 3. So that's a possibility. It could also be that the wave 1 is already in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. We end with divergence. Could be. And that we are now actually doing our wave 2. So this actually could all be a wave 2. Like we already have some kind of ABC structure here. So that would mean like a shallow wave 2 that did not reach the 0.5 FIB retracement, I think. Let's check. No, so we didn't, but yeah, maybe we see a bit more upside and then more downside. So this would also be bearish. It would mean that we will start our wave 3 to the downside soon here. And then there is still another scenario, like an uncommon scenario, an uncommon structure, but sometimes it happens. And that would be that even if we take out this low and this low, that we still turn up, like somewhere from here, that the wave 4 was not in yet, but that we have an ABC as a flat, actually, something like this. That this was our A. So from the wave 3 high, a wave A down, a wave B up, an overshooting wave B, and then again a wave C down. But yeah, this is an uncommon structure. Yeah, it's also very difficult to anticipate on this, because you do not really have any, like, you cannot determine any relevant area from where it can turn. If this happens, yeah, it just happens. It's not possible to anticipate on this in my opinion. Then we will see if it turns out like this. It is what it is, but this is also something that is possible. So even if we take out this low and this low, for me it's a bearish sign. But even if this happens, it could be that we unexpectedly start to move up again from here for our fifth wave. But that is a scenario that I will analyze in more detail if we really take out this and this low. For the moment, I would just like to stick with this scenario here, more upsides, so that we had our wave 1 here that this is our wave 2. This actually looks like like a really good wave 2 in the sense that we have an ABC. We had a quite deep retracement, so close to the start of our wave 1, and now we had a reaction from here. This really looks like a good wave 2, but yeah, we need to hold here, and as you can see, we are struggling a bit here as I expected. But if this low holds, if this is a wave 2, and we go to here to this area for our wave 3, then we should expect yeah, something like this, like the wave 1 will soon. We need a bit more upside, I believe, to have a wave 1. Like for me, this is only 1, 2, 3. This can be a 4. Like this might be the wave 4 we are doing. A 5. Then a wave 2 pullback. This might actually again be an opportunity to buy if you took some profits here in this area. And then yeah, further upside as a wave 3, 4, 5 into this area, and from here we can look again for a short. But okay, this is not for today. Probably also not for Monday. Let's see what the market gives us. This is what I see for today. The possible scenarios for today or the next days, next week. So if you liked this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment. So yeah, to support me so I can further grow this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame, the weekly and the daily. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.